action today. Good morning, it's Frankie. Today you're thinking about rest and how you had all these different things and all these different tasks and priorities that you needed to do yesterday. You wrote them down, you declared you're gonna do them, but as you live your day, you realize that you need rest. You need to lay down in bed, not do anything, not consume anything, not create anything, but just relax. And how important it is, because this morning you woke up feeling more recharged, more enlivened, more refreshed, renewed. Now you're on your way to yoga, and maybe your body's gonna say, hey, you need to rest after this. Or maybe it's gonna say, hey, let's finish all the things from yesterday and today that you've declared you wanna do, you wish to do. Because the things that you do end up leaving the mark in the world, your mark in the world. The things that you do end up leaving your mark in the world. Especially if you're creating something instead of consuming something. Good morning, Dan, how are you?
Good.
So, good morning, Heather.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
So you're on your way to yoga, and you're here to mark your body with health and inner wealth. And you're happy to be here, lucky to be alive, like the great Tom Petty used to say. And we'll see what this day has in store. Either way, you have your plan ready. You got your emotions ready to go. So let's live this day. Amen.